Welcome to ClearTask. Today I'll show you exactly how to change your lock screen and desktop to a live wallpaper in Windows 11. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. First, navigate to your Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen. Type in Microsoft Store and press enter to open the app. The store is where we will find a free and reliable tool to manage our live wallpapers. Once the Microsoft Store is open, go to the search bar at the top, type in Lively Wallpaper, and hit enter. Look for the app with a colorful, multi-layered circle icon. It is a highly rated open source software that works perfectly for this. Click on the Lively Wallpaper app and then click the install button. Wait a few moments for the download and installation to complete. Once it's finished, go ahead and click Open to launch the software. When Lively Wallpaper opens, you will see a library of pre-installed high-quality live wallpapers. Simply click on any wallpaper that catches your eye, and it will immediately be applied to your background. If you want to use your own custom live wallpaper, you can easily do that too. Just click the plus icon located at the top right of the Lively app. From there, you can choose a file from your computer or even enter a URL to set as your new live wallpaper. And that's it. Your Windows 11 setup now features a dynamic live wallpaper. If this quick tutorial helped you out, please drop a like on the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.